It's a 2019 Cadillac Escalade. Cadillac was meticulous about what went into building this Escalade so you can get whatever you want out of it. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming video feed rear view mirror, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic parking assist. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. Cadillac, second to none. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.